Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. If you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2019 Ram 3500 heavy duty Cummins diesel 4-wheel drive regular cab truck in a really cool blue color. Very hard vehicle to find, especially when it comes to this color. You're going to find white all day long, but nothing in this pretty blue. Definitely looks good when driving down the road when I passed it earlier today. It does have front monitoring systems located on the front bumper, which is a nice feature to have. Very nice chrome center Ram bumpers you can see there. Upgraded lighting. 18-inch alloy factory rims right there. It also does have a step-up bar as black in color, as you can see there. This is the long bed, so you are going to have the 8-foot bed. And we did opt to put the sport package on this, which is going to give us a bunch of features. One example is of 18-inch chrome-clad wheels. Factory backup camera built into the bed right there. It does have the puck system for your gooseneck / fifth wheel hitch system. It can be right in the back of the bed, as you can see there. You simply just put your fifth wheel and gooseneck adapter in there and you're good to go. Definitely a nice feature when having to take them in and out. It makes it quick and easy. 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup. You also do have your trailer tow system down there below. And you are going to have your backup sensors located on the factory painted back bumper, which is another option you do get with that sport appearance package. Very hard vehicle to find, especially when it comes to that regular cab and that 8-foot bed, as you can see there. This vehicle does come with a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. It also comes with extended powertrain coverage even after that. Inside of this vehicle, it does have power side mirrors and also power folding side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Power driver's seat with power lumbar, automatic overhead headlighting located right there, power foot pedestals, as you can see there, a very nice gray cloth seat, and it does have plenty of room behind the seat. I'll show you here for a little storage if you needed. Runs all the way across past the passenger side. On the steering wheel, we do have hands-free capability located up here. So we simply program your phone directly into this vehicle and you no longer have to reach for it while driving down the road. Cruise control on the right-hand side. And we also do have capability on the back of the steering wheel of adjusting our radio station and our volume for our radio. Everything on this vehicle is push button. You simply leave the keys in your pocket. You no longer have to worry about taking them in and out of your pocket, putting them in the vehicle. You can lock the vehicle from the outside. When you put your hand on the door handle, when wanting to get in it, it automatically unlocks. Push button 4-wheel drive system, 8.4-inch touchscreen radio, which is an extremely nice feature to have. It does have some options down here below. We do have media capability. Like I said, you can pair your phone directly to it. Bunch of built-in apps and also a compass built in there. This vehicle does come with a Sirius XM subscription, free from the manufacturer when purchasing brand new. That's a nice feature to have. All your climate control buttons are located here in the center, and underneath that we do have your trailer brake control, 6 auxiliary switches located down here too. We also do have your jake brake or exhaust brake, whatever you want to call it, and your tow haul button down there also. This vehicle is equipped with universal garage door openers. You can program up to 3 garage door openers into this vehicle. Here in the center, we do have a nice center console here with 3 cup holders in the front. Nice storage unit up there, or we can simply flip this up right here to make a 3rd seat so you can haul up to 3 passengers in this vehicle. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, one of the few dealers in the country that's going to have a bunch of heavy-duty trucks in stock, especially when it comes to colors. We're not scared to stock the colors like some of the other guys are. So they're very nice blue in color, got a bunch of equipment on it, sport package, touchscreen radio, Cummins diesel, 4-wheel drive, 8-foot bed, regular cab, just a really cool truck. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. If you want to see all the still pictures of this vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. SRW.com. If it's guaranteed best price on any Ram truck, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.